Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am taking a look at the Voluminous L'Oreal False Fibers mascara that is also waterproof. I'm quite a fan of the mascaras that L'Oreal makes. The only thing I don't like about them is they are not animal cruelty free, so just know that, but they do make great mascaras. So a little bit about this product. It's 0.34 fluid ounces. It has some strange edges to it, but that's what it looks like. Let me just talk about the product a little bit. It gives you false lash. It has fibers in it, so it gives you a false lash effect with a volumizing mascara. Sculpting fiber formula, fuller, longer, curled lashes, clump-free, flake-free, smudge-proof mascara. Now these are perfect for events that you go to that you might get a little teary-eyed at. Obviously a funeral being one of them, another one being a wedding. So it's always good to keep a good long lengthening mascara in your beauty arsenal that is waterproof. This is one of my favorites. It's one of my go-tos. So a little bit more about this product, how to get the perfect lash look. Now, let your eyes do all the talking with a dramatic look that speaks volumes. Follow these expert tips to get the perfect lash. First, begin by combing your lashes. So just using a spoolie and comb through your lashes with a spoolie, and you can actually get those for free at any beauty store like Ulta or Sephora or even any beauty counter. You can get those, they have those for free, so you can save a little money there. Create the look of extra long lashes by using an eyelash curler, which I always suggest to use an eyelash curler. Carefully align the eyelash curler with your lashes and hold for 5 to 10 seconds. I usually do that about twice on each eyelash. After lashes are curled, pull the wand out of the tube and wipe away any excess product against the opening of the container. You can always add more of the product on later. Hold your mascara wand in one hand, and another thing I learned is that if you don't want it to be clumpy or have any problems, you want to let the mascara dry a little bit before you start applying it. So hold your mascara wand in one hand, and with the other gently lift the eyelid back so you have full leverage to coat the lashes from root to tip. Apply mascara to the base of your eyelashes and sweep down through the ends, wiggling the wand from side to side. This will coat the lashes too. So it's basically a volumizing mascara that creates a sculpted false lash effect with intense 3D impact. And it has a quick deposit volumizing formula infused with fibers that help thicken, lengthen, and curl lashes. The 3D sculpting brush, which I will show you right now what it looks like. If I can get it open. This is the brush. Hold my hand behind it so you can see. It's a nice lush brush, and you can see some of those fibers. If you look really closely, you can see the fibers that are on the mascara wand, which is a new trend. It's been a new trend for the last few years to have mascaras with fibers in them to make your lashes look more lush without having to put on false eyelashes. So I think this is a great little product. I have eye issues, itchy eyes sometimes, and I haven't had any problems with this. So it's pretty much hypoallergenic for me. I don't know about everybody else, but if you do encounter any problems, stop using the product, and if you need to, go to the doctor to have your eyes checked out. So once again, the Voluminous False Fiber lashes waterproof, or as they like to say, I guess in French, it's hydrofuge. I think that's French. Anyways, if I'd give this 4.5 out of 5 stars. It's not my top lash, but one of my go-tos when I need a waterproof. So don't take my word for it, try it yourself, and thanks so much for watching.